Stoicism is a philosophy that often gets misunderstood as advocating for a lack of feelings or emotional detachment. In reality, Stoicism encourages the mastery of emotions. This philosophy teaches self-control and resilience as a means to conquer destructive emotions. Being a Stoic involves putting these principles into practice and seeking to understand the natural world and our role in it, guided by reason and a focus on what lies within our control, and providing a blueprint for a fulfilling and purposeful life. What is Stoicism? Stoicism, founded in Athens in the early 3rd century BC by Zeno of Citium, is a school of Hellenistic philosophy. It guides individuals in gaining self-control and finding inner peace by accepting each moment as it is. Stoicism shares many similarities with major Asian philosophical systems like Buddhism and Confucianism. The central goal of Stoicism is to train the mind to understand the world and human nature and to harmonize with them, rather than resisting or wishing for them to be different. To embody Stoicism, one must practice embracing their current circumstances rather than yearning for pleasure or fearing pain. Main beliefs and principles of Stoic philosophy. In life, our first job is this: to divide and distinguish things. Stoicism emphasizes the harmonious coexistence. According to Stoicism, everything in the universe is interconnected and follows a deterministic path guided by nature, divine reason, and logic. Aspects of embodying Stoicism according to its teachings. Stoicism identifies 4 primary virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. Virtue, considered the highest good and the source of genuine happiness, contrasts with vices, which are the root of evil. In Stoicism, virtuous living aligns with the natural order of the cosmos and the universe's purpose. Stoics value rationality and view destructive emotions as the result of flawed judgment. Stoicism doesn't advocate for the absence of emotions, but rather the transformation of emotional reactions. Stoics strive to replace unhelpful and harmful emotions with a calm, rational understanding of events to respond wisely. They embrace the natural order of the world and work to align with it rather than resist it. Stoicism acknowledges fate and experiences as they come, recognizing that many things are beyond personal control. Stoics believe in a universal human brotherhood, emphasizing the interconnectedness of all things and beings. Or peace of mind is achieved through understanding and accepting the world as it is. This philosophy helps individuals face suffering with resilience, cope with hardships, and approach death with less fear and greater calmness. Stoics maintain equanimity, even in the face of challenges, by acknowledging life's impermanence, the sources of good and evil, and the inevitability of suffering. Philosophy is not just about talking or lecturing, or even reading long, dense books. In fact, it is something men and women of action use, and have used throughout history, to solve their problems and achieve their greatest triumphs. Stoicism, often misconceived as suppressing emotions or being emotionless, is actually a powerful tool for understanding and managing emotions effectively. This philosophy helps individuals accept the uncontrollable, embrace uncertainty, and recognizing that some aspects of life are beyond control frees the mind from unnecessary worries.